Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making chicken tacos. Okay, so right here, I'm just cutting the chicken up into smaller pieces. Now it's time to season the chicken. Okay, so here I'm just mixing everything up really well, and then I'm gonna start cooking it. In this pan, I just have some water and some butter. Okay, so now that the chicken is done, I'm just gonna get my toppings ready. So I put tomato, lettuce, and cheese on a plate. Okay, so I decided to make some guacamole on the side to put on the taco, so I'm just cutting everything up right now. Okay, now that everything's mixed really well, I'm just going to be adding some seasonings. Okay, so now it's time to make the tacos. So I'm just gonna add the chicken onto the wrap, some guacamole, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I post more videos.